The best thing about this cutting board is that it's dishwasher safe. This is the first bamboo cutting board I've had that is dishwasher safe. All my other boards I have to hand wash. The brand gifted me this bamboo cutting board to try out, and I'm so excited because it's designed to be dishwasher safe, which again is something that you don't see very often with bamboo cutting boards. Right out of the package, the board feels lightweight and very sturdy. You can already tell this is going to be great for chopping fruits, vegetables, and general meal prep. It's a great size, not too big and bulky. It can easily store in our cabinet, and it's easy to move around, doesn't feel overly heavy. This board is size medium, which is 14 by 10.6 inches. One feature I like is the reversible design. One side has the juice groove, which is helpful for cutting foods that release liquid, like fruit, and the other side can be used as a serving board for things like cheeses, snacks, fruit. The bamboo itself feels very smooth and well finished. As you can see, there are no rough spots. The wood is very smooth, and I really appreciate that it does not take up a lot of storage space in our cabinet. It has a slimmer profile than other cutting boards that we have, so it's great for storing vertically or horizontally in your cabinet. One thing worth mentioning is that it comes in a nice gift box, so I could definitely see this being a great housewarming gift or wedding gift. And of course, the feature that I love most is that it's dishwasher safe. It does fit on the bottom rack of my dishwasher, and the dishwasher spinner can still fully rotate. This is going to be so convenient whenever I'm meal prepping, and I'm so glad I don't have to manually hand wash my cutting boards anymore. This one makes my life so much easier. Overall, if you're looking for a lightweight bamboo cutting board that's easy to use, easy to store, and offers the convenience of being dishwasher safe, this is a really great and practical option for everyday kitchen use.